on T156 LJ60 AVD on the 250 to West Croydon. Just to let you know, it's not going to be locking off now until these buses get replaced by brand new Electroliners soon. It's near the end of February, so the brand new buses should be entering service soon. Because these buses now, they're getting really old. It's going to get really old now until they're going to get replaced soon, so it's not really long now. As just you aware now, I'm going to be joined by other bus mates, which is Jamal and Nathaniel. They're both interested in buses, so well, you won't see Nathaniel at the moment, but you'll see my usual friend Jamal. He's going to be on the bus. Unless, well, I've told him to meet me on this bus, T156.
track the T156?
I told him to meet if he sees this bus, T156.
Yeah, but are you going to track it? Because he's catching that one.
Well, I'm filming at the moment, so...
How are you going to catch him then?
Is he coming to Brixton?
Yeah, he said he's coming to Brixton, that's why.
Well, he said at King's Court Road.
To meet him there?
Well, I told him that if he sees this bus, T156 LJ60 AVD, I told him to jump on it.
Okay.
But give him a call.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him a call now.
Just call it to make sure if he understands, because sometimes you'll forget. Just call it. So yeah, I'm joined by my friend Jamal Hope Williams. We're on his favourite company called Arriva.
Let me ring him now, man. Should answer.
Yeah. Yeah, use the vehicle finder.
Yeah. Yeah, but what's it called though?
London Vehicle Finder.
Yeah.
Probably you need to racial account to track, but
London Vehicle Finder.
It's half term now, so there's not many school kids around. But during school hours, this route could be busy because it's Brixton, and it's always busy during around Streatham and Croydon during the school hours. Normally after 3 o'clock.
250 to West Croydon.
But it's half term, so it's not that busy today.
Lanham Gardens.
That's T156.
Yeah, I'm just checking.
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch him. You know what I'm saying?
He's saying he's going to be at King's Court Road, but
Yeah.
I did tell him to jump on this bus.
Yeah.
Jeb Avenue, Brixton Prison.
I hope he gets off because he could do another thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Wait, there long. So I'll just track it on the app. That's if I had it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's easier if you track it on the app. T155,
funny when Matthew calls it AVD. Yeah, that's so funny. Yeah.
Where's he gone now? Just
He went to Sussex Coaches bus yacht.
Why is it only one person though?
I don't know.
That's stupid.
That's Sussex Coaches for you.
That's bullshit, man. Wow.
Just be careful not to use swear words because I'm trying to do a video. Sorry about that language. If you're kids that watch this video or people offended by that bad language, I do apologise.
2 West Croydon.
The thing is, like, you know, I wish we could all go there, man, as a group. It's
Well, yeah,
one
yeah.
person. It's a joke thing, man.
It is.
Taking the mic, right?
Yeah.
Homewood Road.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video now because I need to do something. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. As you're aware now, these buses on the route 250, they're soon going to be going and get replaced by brand new Electroliners soon. So whilst it's still around, catch one of them if you can. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe if you're out and about, and goodbye for now.